The Italian word
Guarigione,
which comes from the verb
guarire,
to recover or to heal, describes the return to a normal state of health following an illness or an injury. It's usually translated as recovery, but can also mean curing or healing.
guarigione,
You can describe a person's recovery in a number of ways, including
una perfetta guarigione,
a perfect recovery,
una completa guarigione,
a complete recovery,
una guarigione facile, una guarigione difficile,
an easy, difficult recovery,
una pronta guarigione,
a speedy recovery,
una guarigione lenta,
a slow recovery,
una guarigione miracolosa.
a miraculous recovery. If you know someone who's been unwell or hospitalized, the kindest message you can send their way is "get well soon," which in Italian translates as
Buona guarigione,
literally, good recovery. An alternative spin on this expression is
guarisci presto,
which uses the verb
guarire,
instead. If you're writing a get well soon card, you can also use the longer expression
ti auguro una pronta guarigione,
informal,
le auguro una pronta guarigione,
formal.
tanti auguri di pronta guarigione.
I wish you a speedy recovery. In order to say a recovery from something, you need to use the word guarigione plus the preposition
Da,
which means from. For example, a full recovery from cancer would translate as
una completa guarigione dal cancro.
two useful expressions are
Essere in via di guarigione,
which means to be on the mend, and
ottenere la guarigione.
which means to get better.
Fare guarigione,
Literally, to make, cure, healing, is an expression used to describe a person's ability to cure someone, such as a doctor who cures a patient.
dare la guarigione.
Means to give the cure or the remedy.
Tanti anni fa quel medico fece molte guarigioni miracolose.
Years ago, that doctor performed many miraculous cures.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.